1315. A year after crushing the English at Bannockburn, a Scottish army of 6,000 veterans invaded Ireland. Their enemy, the English, who dominated Ireland for nearly 150 years. These common soldiers had defeated the most powerful military force in the world, England's mounted and heavily armoured knights. They were now led by Edward, brother of Robert Bruce, King of Scots.
Sultan, arms!
If anyone could drive the English from Ireland, it was them. Then Edward Bruce would reign over Ireland as king. It was an ambitious plan. Two kingdoms ruled by the brothers Bruce, a Celtic alliance that would rival England's power. The Bruce invasion of Ireland is a forgotten war, but what happened after Bannockburn could have changed the course of history.
A lot of trouble, and he was hanging on by his fingernails to the throne of Scotland, and he wanted an Irish alliance to join sides with him against the English.
We have sent to you our beloved kinsman, the bearer of this letter, to negotiate with you in our name about permanently strengthening and maintaining inviolate